I received this beautiful farmhouse style tablecloth from Amazon Vine, and this is one of my favorite tablecloths to date. This is a size 55 by 102, which works well for rectangular dining tables that sit about 8 to 10 people. It's made from cotton linen. Looks like it's a thicker cotton linen material, so it feels durable and very strong. The design also has this nice farmhouse style with the plaid pattern and tassel details along the edges. The tassels give it a decorative look that makes the table feel a little more styled instead of just plain. The tablecloth also has waterproof coating, so if you accidentally spill something like juice or soup, you can usually wipe it off quickly before it soaks into the fabric. Now for cleaning, it can also be machine washed with a gentle detergent, and then you can either hang to dry or dry it on low. Now this type of tablecloth works well for everyday dining, but it could also be used for gatherings, holidays, outdoor meals like picnics or barbecues. It's a really nice decorative tablecloth that also helps protect your table at the same time. So this tablecloth comes in different colors and sizes. My color is coffee plaid, and again it's 55 by 102. So make sure you measure your table first and you decide which color will work for your home. Definitely recommend. This is one of those tablecloths that you'll be so glad you have.